I have a 2024 Kia Carnival. I'm going to show you how to change cabin air filter. Passenger side, you can get this. I got this one from Advanced Auto. You can get them most auto parts stores. First thing you're going to want to do, open the glove box. You see this little tab here, this lever holds onto those. So I'm just going to use my other hand, pull that lever off, and then you're going to squeeze the glove box by that and by that to pinch it in. And the glove box opens up. This flap right here is your cabin air filter. Right, let me zoom in. Right here, you're going to pinch this tab in just like that, and the door comes right off. Just set that there. You're going to pull out your cabin air filter. This has 6 months. I change mine every 6 months. That's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and open this one up. And that's a brand new one. It's taking the inside or the outside air, filtering it through here before it comes into your car. So this is directional. So you see the flow arrow right there, and then the airflow arrow there. So it goes in with the arrow pointed down. Turn it sideways. And it's just gonna slide right up into place like that. You're gonna take this door. It's gonna go with the notch facing down, because this arrow, this notch right here is gonna fit in all the way over there in that corner. So we're gonna slide that notch in, and then right here, just push. You saw it click into place. That is in place. I'm gonna take the glove box. We're gonna close it. I just pushed it up past the point, and then you're gonna take this little latch and push it on and close your glove box. That is how easy it is to change a cabin air filter. If you want to use the Fram one, part number FDC 10381. That is the Fram cabin air filter for Kias and Hyundais. It's that easy.